Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite ended little change to end last week, overcoming a brief dip triggered by a Financial Times report indicating US President Donald Trump was pushing for steep new tariffs on European Union products. The US dollar slipped against the euro on Friday, but held on to weekly gains as investors weighed expected Fed policy amid signs that tariffs may be starting to increase some inflation pressures, and as Trump continued to criticise Chair Jerome Powell. Crude oil futures were little changed on mixed US economic and tariff news, and worries about oil supplies following the European Union's latest sanctions against Russia for its war in Ukraine.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.